Okay, bro, if you want to lead the boat, just follow me. You click on this line here, up here, click on it, just click on it, click on load. You click on select file from local this and click on download, click on here, click on your phone storage. Now locate where the file is on your file. You can search for ocom again, that is ocom suits. Oh, okay, let's just search for docs xml. You can see, oh, I see it here. You can see it, January. You can see, I guess it's this January 21. Wait, but is this ocom? Just search for .xml. You see this ocom, see .xml, click on it. You understand? You open it, it will open. You can see it's loading. You click on open, it will open it. You have clicked on open. Once it's open, you click on open. Boom, you're ready to trade. You just click on run. Now if you want to save the amount you want to trade with, is this place. Delete. You can set to $1,000. You now click on reset. If you want, you now run the boat. Click on run. Click on run. You can see. You can see. You're winning. You keep making profit till anytime you feel like you don't want to make profit again. So that is how to do the boot. I just want to show you guys. Yeah, I just want to show you guys how to run the boat. This boat will trade from now to tomorrow. It will keep winning. It will keep winning, guys. It will keep winning, bro. No need of stressing your data or your subscription.